Well, what do I have here? Are those daddy long legs having some fun? I've never seen that before. I've seen daddy long legs, oh boy, I hope we can see it well. Come on, there we go. I have seen daddy long legs fight, but those two seem a little friendlier. Seems like you want to be together. So are you reproducing? That is interesting. Oh wow. Okay, so they're probably the same species. Just very nice. Big difference in size, right? Is that the female underneath, who is quite big compared to probably the male, right? So compared to back home, their bodies are much bigger and their legs much thinner, which makes sense when you have to live somewhere colder. Ooh, I hope that's a good video. Oh wow. Come on, let's do some focusing. Look at that. Really cool. Really cool. Well, not much else is happening, so I guess I'll let you two do your thing. It seems like you're giving her a nice massage. Wow. So cool.